Hi everyone, hope you guys are all doing well. So today we're going to be diving more into our data sets and understanding what we can do with our data sets. So what we're going to cover today is called querying. So basically querying is just looking for specific possible names in the data and checking out all the rows. So what I mean by that is, let's say I have my data set right here. Let's say for this case I have 4 rows and let's say 4 columns. So let's say here I have my year, here champion for our case where we have the World Cup data set. So let's say champion, who the host was, and the goals. And let's say row 1, 2, 3, 4. Year is a number. Champion, let's say A, C, B, and A. And host, let's see, D, F, E, and let's say M. Goals are just numbers as well. So simplifying what querying does is, let's say I do a query, and then in my parentheses I say, we start with a single quotation mark. Let's say my C is equal to, let's say champion is equal to A. You have to do double quotation marks on, regular quotations on the which you want it to be equal to, and then end it off with a single quote again. Let's say if I do query.a, what it basically does is, from all this data, it kind of just looks for where that A is in champion, and it creates like a separate data sheet. It's not saved, the data sheet isn't saved, but if you save it to a variable, you can. I'll show you what I mean by that right now. So it's gonna create something like this, and then it's just gonna basically get rid of everything that where the champion isn't A in this case. So I'm gonna kind of be diving a bit more deep by showing you guys what I mean. So let's say here I already imported my data set using the pandas library. I put that all into my variable World Cup. So let me create another variable called WC, capital case, just simple for World Cup. Let me assign that. So what I'm gonna say is World Cup, and then right here I'm gonna put dot query, and then I'm gonna do parentheses. And inside that parentheses, like I said, you start with a single quote. Single quote, I'm gonna say champion, because we're looking for the champion that I'm gonna specifically say to look for. I'm gonna put champion equals, and then quotation marks. And in those quotes, I'm gonna say in this case, Italy. Okay, so now I said, okay, so look for all the rows where Italy was champion and assign it to this variable WC. So now when I go, I'm gonna say print WC. And down here, we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna do Python 3 query, and then, all right. And as you can see down here, it gave us each instant where Italy was a champion. So 4 years, all different years. It basically filtered out every other row where Italy wasn't a champion. And it gives you all the information we already had, goals, average goals, goals scored, nations, matches played, and everything else. But specifically, what we're looking for in query is for it to show us like specific things, in this case, when Italy was champions, to filter out any unnecessary data. So furthermore, what we can also do is we can just directly print what we want to. So in this case, let's say I want to look for 2 things. Maybe where 2 different teams hosted the World Cup. So what I'm gonna say is, I'm gonna say print. If we don't want to assign a variable, I'm gonna say World. Explain that right. World Cup. The query. Parentheses. I'm gonna start off single quote again. So I'm gonna say host. And whenever you're using query and you want to look for something specifically, it has to be exactly as it is in the data. So in this case, my column champion is all caps in the data, so I have to do that as well here. And same thing with whatever you're looking for. In the data, it's Italy, spelled exactly like this, no other capitals or anything, so it has to be exactly as the same as data. So in this case, if Italy, if I had a space before the last quote, before Italy ends, then it wouldn't let me, it'd give you an error basically. So here I'm gonna say host in, and by saying in, I'm giving it different bounds in a sense. So in the brackets, I'm gonna say what to look for exactly in hosts. So let's say here host, if I did host in D and M, it'd give me all the rows with D and M as a host. Here, let's say like this is Denmark, this is Mexico, something like that. So what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna say Mexico, end quotes. Then another one, let's say Argentina. Argentina, boom, spelled that correctly. Okay, there we go. So actually, let me do something real quick too. I'm gonna just do an empty print so that it can be separated from the original. So now save this, and what you're gonna see. Okay, so the first part is what we had initially printed with a print WC. Now the second part, the print World Cup hosts in Mexico, it's gonna give us, like I said, it's gonna look for the rows where Mexico or Argentina were the hosts down there, and it's gonna give you all the information of that World Cup. So here, Mexico, Argentina were hosts. The champions were Brazil and Argentina twice. As you can see, Mexico's only been the host 2 times. Argentina's been a host once. That should change because Mexico's going to be part of those hosting the 2026 World Cup. But yeah, that's what you can basically do by saying, giving a column name and then saying and in brackets listing different names of variables that you may have. It's going to look for all the rows where those variables appear. One final thing I want to show you is that you can kind of combine things. So another one, so I'm going to do another empty print just for a space. And then I'm going to say again print World Cup dot query, and then I'm gonna in parentheses. What I'm gonna do is single quotes again, but now since I'm gonna include and or. So basically saying, you can do and or to have multiple things. In this case, I'm gonna use or. So what I have to do, since it's a bit more of a lengthier process, for the name that I want to check for, like for the column name, I'm gonna have to do a /. I believe that's what it's called. So it's this. A /. Then here I'm gonna say again champion, boom, champion, and then that equals, let's say Germany, and double quotes, and then here's where I say or, then again forward, then champion, forward quote again, then I'm gonna say equal to, and then regular quote. I'm gonna say, let's say champion Germany or Brazil, and then end it off. So as you can see, I started off with the single quote like always, like you're supposed to, but now since I'm doing an or, the way that changes things is that for whatever column you want to show, like right here in champion, you have to do a forward quote. I'm not sure what the name, there's an actual name for that, but I'm not sure what it is, but that's what I'm gonna refer to it as. So now what you're gonna see is by including that or, it's gonna look for all the rows where obviously the champion was either Germany or the champion was Brazil right here. So I'm gonna go down here. I included that print as a space. Okay, oh, that's my apologies. So let's see what happened. It didn't print out. So print World Cup query, host and champion equals Germany. Boom. Okay, what happened here? I might have messed something up. Single quote. Yep. Champion equals Germany. Print World Cup query. Where did I mess up? Oh, there we go. That's where I messed up. I accidentally include one too many parentheses. I accidentally included a parentheses that shouldn't have been there. That's a good thing to look out for. Like you can see, I made mistakes. Sometimes those are those simple mistakes that you don't catch. Actually, no, that was right. Control S. There we go. Okay, so I'm not sure why it didn't print the first time. I think that I made a mistake. But again, those are the kind of mistakes you can make with data like this. If you miss a parentheses, you see I took it off, but then it showed that I did need it because of the print statement. The other set of parentheses were part of the query. So that's some things to look out for. I make mistakes. We can all make mistakes. So what you're going to see is that final print where I did champion is Germany or the champion was Brazil. It's going to give me all the different rows where that actually happened. So as you can see, Brazil's been champions like 5 times, Germany only once in 2014. And it gives you all the information of all those World Cups. So that's kind of how you can not only look for specific data, but diversify what you're looking for and have multiple of. So I could have done in this case champion equals Germany, or the host was Brazil. Same thing, just make sure you specify what your column is and what the name of like the variable you're looking for is. So that's basically query summed up. Showed you guys the different things you can do. Like I said, if you make a mistake, look at your code. Sometimes it's simple mistakes that just you might not see them right away. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Good luck.